to post more than 10 pictures on Instagram. So to start, we'll just have to open our Instagram application, and then in here we'll have to navigate to our account. To do that, tap on the profile picture. So here on my profile, what we need to do is to tap on this plus sign and then select the post option. After that, we can now select the photos that we want to post. So as an example, I'm going to select 12 photos. After that, tap on the next option. And then in here, we can also add a music for our post. So as for example, I'm going to select a random music. And then in here, we can edit what part of the song we want to add to our post. After that, tap on the check mark and then tap on the next option. So in here, before we upload our post, we can also add a caption. So as for my caption, I'm just gonna type here wallpaper ideas. After that, I'll have to tap on the share option. And then what we need to do now is to wait for the photos to be uploaded. Once the photos is uploaded, we'll just have to go back to my profile. And as you can see here, I'm able to upload more than 10 photos. So that's how easy you can post more than 10 pictures on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!